What's going on, guys? It's Joe again. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we are going to take a look Osmo Mobile 2 with GoPro Hero 4. If you're new to this channel, please smash that subscribe button below and click the ringing bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I do unboxing, review, and DIY on this channel. Osmo Mobile 2 is really a great gimbal for smartphone. You can do time-lapse, motion-lapse, hyperlapse, and all the features of it using the app. But the main thing you want to buy this gimbal is to make your video shoot stabilized and smooth. I'm using Oppo F7 on my Osmo to shoot video, and it works great, except the video occasionally wobble or have the rolling shutter effect. Even if I use the built-in camera app, it still renders the same result, especially when running. I've searched through the internet and I found out a lot of people have the same issue I have. The image stabilization of the smartphone is messing up with the smoothness of the video when you're moving. This is not the gimbal's fault, because when I use action camera like GoPro Hero 4, the video is smoother even if you run. I'm very surprised with the result. The smoothness of the video was greatly improved. I think the best camera for this gimbal, if you want more stabilized video, is an action camera. The downside of this is you can't use all the function of the gimbal in the app. That's it for now, guys. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up. If you guys like it, smash that subscribe button below to be notified on my upcoming videos. Thanks for tuning in. See you again on my next video.